We are going to give you an important safety briefing, so keep a sharp eye on the cabin crew, and together we'll make sure that your journey is a safe one. Every aircraft is different, so it's important to pay attention, even if you have flown with us before. Today, you're flying on a QantasLink Boeing 717. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. Undo your seatbelt by lifting the flap. You must have your seatbelt done up, low and tight, during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. While seated at other times, we require that you keep your seatbelt fastened. And in the unlikely event of an emergency, it is important that you're familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front of you, brace by folding your arms on the back of the seat in front and rest your forehead on your arms. If you can't reach the seat in front, put your head on your knees or lean as far forward as you can and hold onto your legs. Keep your feet firmly on the floor to prevent them from moving forward. Take a moment now to check where the nearest exits are on this aircraft, as the cabin crew point them out. Be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. A good way of remembering your nearest exit is to count the number of rows between you and that exit. Our cabin crew are pointing out floor lighting that will illuminate in darkness, showing a path to the exit. All exits are indicated by an exit sign. This aircraft is fitted with escape slides, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If we do have to evacuate, you must leave all items carried onto the aircraft behind. A loss of oxygen at altitude may lead to a loss of consciousness. If emergency oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above you. Pull down on it firmly to activate the flow of oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Once you're breathing normally, it is okay to help others. Make sure you're familiar with the location and use of your life jacket. In economy, yours is under your seat. If you're in business, it's in the center console. Special life jackets are also available for babies and small children. Your crew member is now demonstrating how to put your life jacket on. Remove the life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Slip the jacket over your head. Clip the waist strap together at the front, then tighten. Your life jacket comes with 2 red tags and 2 mouthpieces for inflation, and a whistle and a light for attracting attention. And remember, only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft. Take a moment now to look where your life jacket is located. If you're unsure, please ask the cabin crew. Smoking is a fire hazard and is not permitted anywhere on this aircraft. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. And just in case you've missed any of this, simply refer to our safety card located in your seat pocket.